I'm not gonna... Huge. Fucking huge. Unboxing video. I'm recording a video. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing a Herbalife video. I need you guys to guess how much shipping was because of how heavy this was. That's how you know it's heavy, when you have this tied around the box. That's shipping. What do you think? 9, 12, 20. Bitch, this was $18 to get shipped. Yeah, man, almost a whole $20 bill. Like, what? We have so much new goodies. We are moving on to a whole new line. We are replenishing, and I still gotta replenish my supplements. So man, they be stealing my money. I easily and gladly spend my money on Herbalife because I only spend my money on bills, food, and Herbalife. That's it. Like, I don't waste my money. So the way I see it is I am spending money on health, nutrition. Leaves me a lot left over to put in my savings account on top of that and do whatever is needed and hit my goals in life. Big thing of lemon tea. So we are moving on to the muscle gaining line. Wow, this guy's big. Vanilla ice cream flavor, rebuild strength. If you guys been watching me on my journey, I have lost 14 pounds. You can see in my previous videos how big I was, and now I have a skinny body, but I'm ready to tone because I have a lot of bloating going on. So now I'm going to move on to the muscle line so that way I can tone easily, still eating healthier I should say, because we're human. We can still eat what we love, what we want. It's the CR7 Drive berry flavor. This is like your pre-workout, right? So your electrolytes. We lose a whole lot when we're working out, and especially working out hard. And since I want to tone, I want to do more harder workouts. Formula 1. I got the Sport. I'm trying the last protein flavor, and this is the peanut cookie. I told myself I'll never buy it, but for the Sport Formula 1, they only give you 3 choices. Unlike this, like in the Formula 1 weight loss, you get 1,000 different choices. So since they only gave me 3, it was chocolate, vanilla, or strawberry. I picked chocolate, get peanut cookie to go with my chocolate. Gallon. This is why my shipping was so freaking pricey on top of all that heavy stuff. Aloe! You know how I usually get the pint, that small freaking pint? Yeah. That goes like this, and that's a lot of money. So $10 more, and I was able to get a whole gallon. You know how long this is gonna last me? The gallon has no flavor versus those pints. Mandarin flavor, the peach flavor. You get so many good yummy flavors. This no flavor. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like and comment. Tell your friends to subscribe. Share this video with others. Become a part of Yaya fam. Love my Herbalife. On my last video, I do have a giveaway going on, so check that out. Enter that giveaway, and let's just keep on growing. Let me know if you have any questions down below or what you want to see next. And you guys have a blessed day. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. This is Christmas time. Blessed day. Bye.